Come on, kids, let's sing and play. Phonics will guide us every day. A says apple, ah, ah. B says ball, bounce it far. C says cat, come clap with me. D says drum, beat happily. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Phonics makes the sound so sweet. Sing it loud, don't be shy. Learning letters makes us fly. A, B, C, come sing with me. Sounds and letters set us free. Phonics magic one by one. Learning letters is so fun. E says elephant, A. F says fish, swimming away. G says goat, running up the hill. H says hat, wear it if you will. Say the sound nice and clear. Phonics fun is always near. Every letter has a song. Let's keep singing all day long. A, B, C, come sing with me. Sounds and letters set us free. Phonics magic one by one. Learning letters is so fun. I says igloo, I. J says juice, oh so chilly. K says kite, flying high. L says lion, hear him cry. Jump around and sing with me. Phonics is the ABC. Sounds and letters hand in hand. Learning fun across the land. A, B, C, come sing with me. Sounds and letters set us free. Phonics magic one by one. Learning letters is so fun. M says monkey, making cheer. N says nest, with eggs so near. O says octopus, under the sea. P says pencil, write with me. Q says queen, quiet and kind. R says rainbow colors to find. S says sun, shining bright. T says train, moving with might. U says umbrella, under the rain. V says violet, gray again. W says whale, swimming through. X says x-ray, showing you. Y says yo-yo, spinning round. Z says zebra, with striped sound. Now we've sung from A to Z. Phonics fun.